Good morning, students. Today start the second chapter, banking. Second chapter, banking. Now, here I am telling about you types of account in a bank. The bank offer different scheme under we can open our account. Mainly the four different type of bank accounts offered by a bank. First, saving bank account. Second, current bank account. Third, fixed deposit account. And fourth, recurring or cumulative deposit account. In this chapter, we shall dealing only the recurring or cumulative deposit account. We shall learn commutation by the interest and maturity value MB by using the formula. Interest is equal to P into n plus 1 into R upon 2 into 12 into 100. And maturity value formula is P is equal to n P into n plus I. I is interest. Now again here repeated calculation of maturity amount of recurring deposit. Here interest on recurring deposit account can be calculated by using the formula I is equal to P multiply n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. That is your interest. Now maturity value is equal to P into n plus I. P into n plus I, that is your maturity value formula. Now start the exercise. First question. Mrs. Goswami deposit rupees 1000 every month in a recurring deposit account for 3 years at 8% interest per annum. Find the maturity value. Now P is equal to money deposit per month is equal to rupees 1000. N equal to 3 into 12 equal to 36 month. N is I is equal to 8%. 8% interest is given. Now formula is know that I is equal to P into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Now principal right here 1000 into 36 into 37 into 8 upon 4. 2 into 12 into 100. Now cancel out 2 zeros, cancel here. Now 12 3 are 36. 2 4 are 8. Now 4 3 are 12. 12 into 37 into 10 equal to 4440 rupees. Now maturity value Pn plus I. 1000 into 36 plus 4440. Now 3000, 36,000. Here is your 36,000 plus 4400 is 40,440 is the answer. Question number 2. Hanif has a cumulative bank account and deposit rupees 600 per month for a period of 4 years. If he get rupees 5880 as a interest, at the time of maturity find the rate of interest. Here P is equal to deposit money deposited per month is equal to rupees 600 and number of months for which the money is deposited. 2.5 years is equal to 30 month. 30 month. Now R is equal to interest rate 10%. Using the formula interest is equal to P into n plus 1 upon 2 into 12 into R upon 100. Now I is equal to 600 into 30 into 31 upon 2 into 12 into 10 upon 100, putting their values. Now then after calculate here and cancellation, I is equal to 600 into 30 into 31. Now Here cancel. Zeros, two zeros cancel here, two zeros cancel here. Now 6 2 are 12, 6 500. Now cancel out digit 2325. Now maturity value 600 into 30 plus 2325. Now get the answer is 20,325 is the answer. Question number 4. Question number 4. Kiran deposited rupees 200 per month for 36 months in a bank recurring deposit account if the bank pay interest at the rate of 11% per annum. Find the amount she get on the maturity. Here P is equal to money deposit per month rupees 200 and number of months for which the money is deposited equal to 36 months. Rate of interest per annum 11% per annum. Now putting here the formula I is equal to P into n plus 1 upon 12 into 2 into R upon 100. Now I is equal to 200 into 36 into 37 upon 2 into 12 into 11 upon 100. Now here calculator hit 2 zeros cancel, 2 zeros cancel, 2 cancel. 12 3 are 36. 3 into 37 into 11, 12 21. Now maturity value P into n plus I 200 into 36 into 1221, 7200 plus 1221, 8421 is the answer.